What artist are we listening to right now? I mean, we're listening to The Rose every other night.
Yeah. You know, we have to listen to The Rose for an hour and a half. It's still not enough? Oh, thank you. That was sweet.
I mean, personally, I don't really. Oh, you know what? I've been listening to something, and what? How do you know? Yeah, it was a deep. How do you guys know? I've been listening to that song, Golden. It's so good. Yeah. Golden. Is it called Golden?
K-pop demon hunter.
Yes, it is a Netflix movie.
Soda Pop. Soda Pop.
Cool. Nice.
We want.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, next question.
All the way in the back row, black t-shirt. Yes.
Okay, I have a question for Hajun.
Okay.
Because my husband is having major depression envy. What is the soundboard you have? The drum-
Dojun? Hajun?
Yes, Hajun.
Oh yeah, me? Okay. What's the question?
Percussion envy? He's a percussionist.
Okay, well.
What is the soundboard, the drum board you're using? What you're using, what you use for... What's the soundboard? Yeah, setting that.
Oh, that is cajon.
Cajon. It's called cajon.
Cajon.
Yeah, it's like some kind of percussion.
Yeah. It's like a box.
Yeah.
It's a wooden box. And if you hit the wood, it makes sound. And in the middle, it's like thick, where it could be a kick. You know, snare kick. And then the top part is very thin, where it could be a snare.
It can sound like a doo-wop, which he already has, but...
If I sell this, what was that?
What was the name of that? Who is the brand of that?
Brand. It's called Mano.
Mano brand, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you can Google it. CAJON.
I heard something else, man.
What was it?
Nothing. We'll move on.
I just need to buy a present for Christmas now.
Nice. You can take this one.
Yeah.
Just steal this.
Yeah, I have an extra of there.
Alright, let's go. White and black floral shirt in the